Hey, if you're interested in Teachable at all and you want to see what it looks like to add content to your course on Teachable, then stick around. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add content to your course on Teachable. So let's dive in. All right, so we're looking at the sales page for your course, and this is where the curriculum is going to get listed. So I'll show you how to go about adding content to your course. So you start off by logging in, and then you go into your admin area, click on the course that you've started, and go to the curriculum section. So we start by creating a new section, give it a name, and then under the sections we have our lectures. So you click on New Lecture. I'm just going to copy paste some content that I have here into the Add Text area just to show you what it looks like. You can also upload videos, PDFs. And so I'm just giving the lecture a name. I just wanted to show you how it says draft there. It hasn't been published. So here you can download, here you can set it to preview, and here is where you publish it. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like. So once someone is enrolled, this is what they're going to see. And then if you had multiple lectures, they would just click on complete and continue to go to the next lecture. This make as a free preview, it's kind of cool. So what that'll do is it'll provide your potential customers the opportunity to check out part of your course before they buy. So next I wanted to show you how to set up a basic quiz and a discussion forum. So I created a quiz here under Key for Grains. You can see it at the bottom there. And I just wanted to start off by showing you what that looks like. So the student would click on Start, and then they would just go through one question at a time, and they happen to get instant feedback, which is great. And they can retake it as many times as they'd like. So I just wanted to show you now how to add a question. So you go into the lecture and click on the Edit Quiz tab. Then you enter in your question. Then you would enter in your first choice, and the checkbox indicates which of the responses is correct. All right, so now I want to show you within a lecture you can toggle on comments, and just wanted to show you what that looks like. And as the instructor, you can actually manage all comments within the Site section under Comments. All right, so the last thing I wanted to show you in this video is adding code. So you would again go into the course, click on Curriculum, select the lecture that you want to add code to, click on the Add Code tab, and I'm just going to grab a snippet and paste it in the HTML section here. I also wanted to show you how you would go about getting the hex for the color. At w3schools.com, they have a color picker. So you would just go to the color and you can just copy paste the hex code, the alpha numerical value that you put just in front of the hashtag. So this text here is going to have a different color and font size of 20 pixels. So I'll just show you what that looks like. Click on preview. There, now you know how to add code. All right, so that's pretty much it for today. Just let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Bye for now.